Hi guys, good morning. Mag-i-spelling kami ni Achi. Okay, let's begin. Can you spell 6?
S-I-X.
Spell 2?
T-W-O.
Spell 1?
O-N-E.
Spell 3?
T-H-B-R.
Spell 3?
E-E.
Spell 3? Spell 3.
T-H-I-E-E.
Spell 4?
F-O-U-I.
Spell 5?
F-I-V-E.
Very good. Ano ba yung nakalimutan ko? Spell 6?
S-I-X.
Very good. Good morning, spelling! No? Bye.
Bye.